Hi guys, this is Andrew from Trading Mastery and welcome to today's trading tip, which is all going to be focused on the major theme in markets right now, and that is the new variant Omicron. People are naturally concerned about it. Markets sold off heavily on Friday. We may see some further selling pressure today. But here's what I want you to focus on. Is this COVID variant, and we've already had Delta and a number of others, is this going to slow global economic output over the course of the next 3, 5, 10, 15 years? In other words, is human endeavour going to stop? Are companies going to stop producing great products and services? Well, certainly in 2020, we saw the COVID-19 virus slow economic growth and slow economic output. But as time has gone on into 2021 and now about to go into 2022, we are learning to live with the virus. We're learning to invest with the virus. We've got a number of vaccines that are now available, and we're now getting more and more vaccines that are appropriately developed for different variants and strains of the virus. And on the unfortunate side of things, the virus is not going away. It's going to be here for our lifetime, highly likely. And just like the flu, and every year there is a new flu shot, and there's variants of the flu shot because different flu variants are different every winter around the world, the same is going to likely occur for the COVID-19 virus. We're going to have different variants. And with a bit of luck, a little bit like the Spanish flu, over a number of years, it will die out. Now, is that going to happen in the next 2 or 3 years? Probably not. Could it happen in 5 or 10 years from now? Yes. But the bottom line is the way in which that we are dealing with these variants and viruses right now, with respect to treatments, with this respect to vaccines, with respect to oral tablets that are soon going to be available, that has proven to reduce hospitalization and death by 89%, or the Pfizer oral tablet. This simply means that great companies that over the course of perhaps the next few days or the next few weeks that see their share prices decline, I'm talking about the richest businesses in the world. I'm talking about the most successful businesses in the world. Are they going to slow the ability? Is it going to slow the ability for these companies to earn money over the course of the next 2, 3, 5 years? The probability is not. And therefore, great investors are going to look at declines in share prices in all of these wonderful companies, the ones that we own here at Trading Mastery, as buying opportunities. All throughout 2020 and in 2021, every time we have seen a variant, a pullback, a concern around the COVID-19 virus, etc., it is proven to be months later a buying opportunity. And right now in December, it is seasonally the strongest month of the year that we're about to go into. Money managers have self-interest to drive markets as high as they can before the end of the year, so as they can print their brochures and produce their websites to show what their returns have been for 2021. So those investors that go into their shell, those investors that sit on the sidelines, those investors that get worried and read news.com and watch the television news, you are going to get sensationalized, over the top news about something that we are simply going to need to deal with for the rest of our life. And the world is getting on with things and learning to deal with it. And the only people that will get burnt and are in danger are those people that are looking at their P&L, are over leveraged, are looking to speculate. The longer term investors, like those of us here at Trading Mastery, will do incredibly well. Anyone who has a very short time frame, it's only going to become more difficult for you. So right now, in my view, opportunity is going to be knocking again. And we haven't seen markets barely pull back at all in 2021. And if we see a pullback in the first couple of weeks of December, bingo, what an opportunity. Get your wallet out. But when you do, make sure you are looking to buy wonderful businesses, great investments. And you say, Andrew, but what are those great investments? Well, I'll give you a hint. What are the great investments that did well post the big market decline in February or March 2020? What are the businesses that have rallied 100, 150, 200% since then? Just look to those and you'll be fine. But they have to be great investments that have done very well over a long period of time. And those companies have got to have really strong balance sheets. If you want to know what those companies are, make sure you get across to our website, tradingmastery.com.au, register your details and join me the next following Monday night for a live coaching session. I'll explain it all in more detail for you over an hour. Have a wonderful week. Keep your eye on the prize, which is long-term, not short-term. And if you have any questions for me, put them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them and engage with you. Until next time, happy trading.